lost it. Where is it? Oh, there. Jesus.
Fast.
I can't even keep up with it.
Very fast.
It's fast, alright.
Holy cow!
Come back.
It's very fast. But
That's
if,
about a third throttle.
well, I can't zoom in because I can't keep track of it.
Can you see it?
That's literally about 1/3 throttle.
We'll see what we get out of this, but yowzers.
You seem to be getting further away.
That gyro's wobbling a bit too.
Oh well, time to land.
Alright, time to land, yeah.
Awesome!
There we go.
Fantastic. Fantastic.